to say that it's really important that we get out to vote for both of them. First, let me say a few words about my good friend, Assemblymember Ted Lieu. Ted has such a great background, an attorney, in the military, Torrance City Council member, and now 6 years in the State Assembly. This is a person that I feel lucky to have supported and had a little bit to do with him being where he is, because when he was running for the Assembly, I was the one that was assigned to help get support for him in the Assembly. And so I was pitching this wonderful man to many different elected officials. And fortunately, he did get elected. He has fulfilled every promise that I made on his behalf. He has been a very conscientious Assembly member. He's been a very thoughtful Assembly member, and he's been very intelligent. And he's really been on the forefront of protecting consumers. He is the one that during the mortgage crisis really took a front row seat in making sure that there was fairness for those who were being foreclosed upon. And he is the one that's really protected our environment. He has pushed for green buildings and for a more green environment for many years. So he has a local level, he has a state level, and now's his time to get to the state Senate. You know, for so many years, Asian Americans have been underrepresented in the state of California. And with Ted Lieu, we would be able to get 3 Asian Americans in the state Senate. Can you imagine that? That would make history. It would be so incredible. So we need to make sure he gets every single vote, especially since it could be close in terms of him getting over the 50% mark. And yet there are so many Asian Americans that live in his area. So I really encourage everybody to vote in this very historic election.